Hello students, let's try to understand the power of accommodation. What do you mean by the power of accommodation? The eye lens is composed of a fibrous jelly-like material. Its curvature can be modified to some extent by the ciliary muscle. The change in the curvature of the eye lens can thus change its focal length. When the muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin. Thus, its focal length increases. This enables us to see distant object clearly. When you are looking at object closer to eye, the ciliary muscle contract. This increases the curvature of the eye lens. The eye lens then becomes thicker. Consequently, the focal length of the eye lens decreases. This enables us to see nearby object clearly. The ability of the eye's lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation. The ability, so this line is very important, student. The ability of the eye's lens to adjust the focal length is called accommodation. However, the focal length of the eye's lens can not be decreased below a certain minimal limit. Try to read a printed page by the holding it very close to your eyes. You may see the image being blurred or feel a strain in the eyes. To see an object comfortably and distinctly, you must hold it at about 25 centimeters from the eyes. The minimum distance at which the object can be seen most distinctly without the strain is called the least distance of the distinct vision. It is also called the near point of the eyes for the young adult with normal vision. The near point is about 25 centimeter. The farthest point up to which the eye can see object clearly is called the far point of the eyes. It is infinity for the normal eyes. You may note here a normal eyes can see object clearly that are between 25 centimeter and infinitely. Sometimes the crystalline lens of people at old age become milky and cloudy. This condition is called cataract. This causes partial or complete loss of vision. It is possible to restore vision through the cataract surgery. Now you see this one. Why do we have two eyes for the vision and not just one? There are the several advantages of our having two eyes instead of one. It gives a wider variety of view. A human being has a horizontal field of view of about 150 with one eye and about 180 with two eyes. The ability to detect faint object is of course enhanced with the two detected instead of one. Some animals, usually prey animal, have their two eyes positions on opposite side of their head to give the widest possible view of the field of view, but our two eyes are the position on the front of our head, and it thus reduces our field of view in favor of what is called the stereopsis. Shut one eyes and the world look flat. Two dimension keep both eyes open and the world takes on the third dimension of the depth. Because of our eyes are separated by few centimeters, each eye see a slightly different image. Our brain becomes the two images into one, using the extra information to tell us how close or far away the things are. Okay, so this is all about the power of accommodation. So basically what you have to understand, the ability of the eyes lens to adjust its focal length is called power of accommodation. Thank you, students.